Hello guys, Neoplatams here, welcome to a new video, and today I have here an iPhone XS with iOS 15, Beta 1, Developer Beta 1, and we're going to take a look at every single thing that's new with Safari in iOS 15. Okay, so Apple introduced iOS 15 earlier this week at WWDC, and one of the apps that got the most love from it was Safari. And yeah, in this video, as I said, we're going to see every single thing that's new with Safari in iOS 15. Most of it will also transfer to iPadOS and macOS, well, iPadOS 15 and macOS 12. But yeah, I'm not gonna bore you anymore. Let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, of course, is open Safari on both devices, and right away you will see that it looks very different. So on the right is iOS 15, on the left, 14.6. So yeah, we're used to this one, search bar at the top, all the controls at the bottom. But here we only have the search bar at the bottom with a couple more icons. So as we scroll down, you will notice that this search bar becomes smaller and this disappears. And the same happens here, except the search bar, of course, is on the bottom, and on the top, it will remain like that. So this website does not work with it, but if I tap on here and go, for example, to Engadget, I found this one works with what I want to show you. You will see that the top also becomes from the color that the top bar is. I'm sure that all of the other websites will update to that in the future. But yeah, so what else can we do with this? First, if you want to refresh the page here, you notice that you have this little icon that you have to reach, whereas here, you just scroll down and it will refresh. That's a nice touch and also consistent with other parts of iOS. Then to go to a different address, you already saw this, you have here, and you can just go to any of your favorites. And then at the bottom we have, from my old iPhone, like iCloud tabs, Siri suggestions, reading list, and privacy report. It will make a privacy report on everything that has been blocked, trackers, and everything. So that's neat. You will find it very reminiscent of macOS Catalina, and that's because it's pretty much the same. And then if we go to edit, you can select a background image. You notice I selected one as well, and then you can reorganize all these and just undo, delete any you don't want there. Here you can find the reading list and bookmarks and history. Let's go for something new. Okay, so throughout all of iOS 14 you will notice that whenever you can type something, you have the option of text from camera. And this is of course for the new photo text thing. You will notice here as I point to this, it will see different things and edit them. So that's a very nice feature. It's not exclusive from Safari, but I thought I'd show you anyway. And then if we cancel this, from the bottom bar, if you long press it, 3 touch it, whatever, you have a bunch of options. The most useful probably is share. You just have it straight away in here. Then here you have all the other options that you had, like copy, to reading list, to bookmark, all of them. These used to be, actually where were they? I think they were here. Yeah, so that was the share. It's not exactly the same, but you get the point. But yeah, other than that, probably the most nice feature is we can just do this to go to different pages. That is very nice. If you want to copy the link, of course, you can just do that. And then, well, here you can see all of the tabs and you can search for them. And then you will see here, there's a plus sign. Well, this is to add a new tab. But if we click on the bottom arrow, you will see that there's tab groups. So here you can choose many tabs to create a tab group, and you can open the tab group from the beginning. So I'm gonna just make these 7 tabs into a group, I'll name it iOS 15, well 16 anyway, and you'll see this is now a group. Now I can easily jump from my tab groups to my start page and say one day I'm browsing this, but then I notice something and I want to go to my tab group. So I just tap here and go back here. I have all of my tabs in here. This is actually very helpful, and for planning trips or for working on something like a project or something, it's very, very handy. Also, private is here and it's just the same. So if I open a tab here and open a new tab, here you can notice I can go through this, but only those that are in private. Ooh, actually, if you move to the left, you will create a new tab. I didn't know that. So that's something we learned together. But yeah, going back to the normal ones, that's pretty much everything we have. Well, you can edit this, of course, delete the tab groups. I just delete it, or rename them actually. But yeah, this is pretty much everything new to Safari in iOS 14. And yeah, now let's go ahead and finish the video. Okay, so as you just saw, there's quite a lot of things, starting from a complete redesign from the beginning. And yeah, it's a lot of things that are new in Safari. But yeah, please let me know down below in the comments if you have any questions at all about this. Also, do take in mind that this is developer beta 1. We'll probably see around 8 or 9 betas based in previous years before it gets released in September. So all of this, absolutely everything that I showed you, is subject to change. However, the general idea will probably stay. But yeah, if you liked the video, please don't forget to thumbs up and comment down below with your favorite iOS 15 feature. But yeah, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.